Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to day one of our Read Write Inc videos for this week. Today we're going to be learning our last set to sound for this term. Okay, our sound that we are going to be learning is oi. 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 And I've got a picture on the back of this card. And it says, toy for a boy. And it looks like he's playing with a robot. Oi, toy for a boy. Can you say that? Oi, toy for a boy. Superb. Miss Brown has got some words that we're going to see if you can read. Are you ready? Oi. Toy. Oi. Boy. Oi. Enjoy. Well done, brilliant blending. Okay, our oi sound looks like this. It's made up of O and Y. 2 letters, 1 sound. Special friends, oi. On the back, we say, oi, toy for a boy. Let's see if I can trick you. Are you ready? Let's go. So you can't trick me, Miss Brown. Okay, we're going to pop our new card into our review pack. Now these are all of set 2 sounds. Well done, boys and girls. Let's see if we can shout these out. There it is, oi. Super speedy sounds, boys and girls. Well done. Okay, moving on to our story green words. Now these words all have the oi word in them. Are you ready? We're going to spot the special friends. Fred talk, then read the word. Special friends, oi. Fred talk, oi. Read the word. Enjoy. Right, let's see if you can do these ones yourself. Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Toy. Toy. Last one, special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Boy. Boy. Superb, brilliant blending. Okay, let's move on to our speedy reading. Now these are words that you already know. Are you ready? Let's see how speedy we can read these words. Loud. Shook. Fork. Chair. Low. Last one. Bean. Super speedy reading, boys and girls. Okay, to finish off with, we're going to do our alien words. Now remember, these words are a load of nonsense, but they help us when we say and read our sounds. Are you ready? Let's spot the special friends. Oi. Fred talk. Oi. Read the word. Sky. What a load of nonsense. Okay, next one. Special friends. Oi. Fred talk. Read the word. Spoy. Spoy. Last one. Special friends. Fred talk. read the word. Excellent. Well done. Those aliens are very silly, aren't they? What a load of nonsense. Okay, boys and girls, well done. You have been able to say and read our new sound, oi. Don't forget to do your Read Write Ink book as well. I'll see you tomorrow for day 2 of Read Write Ink. Before you go, let's give yourself a huge big fantastic. See you tomorrow, boys and girls.